Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Google Sheets for data visualization. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. Ensure your data is organized in rows and columns with clear headers. Select the range of data you want to visualize. Go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down, choose Chart. In the chart editor on the right, select the type of chart that best represents your data. Explore different chart types, like bar charts, pie charts, or line graphs. Customize your chart's data range if necessary. Adjust the Chart and Axis Titles section to add descriptive titles. Modify the series settings to highlight specific data points or customize colors. Switch to the Customize tab in the chart editor for advanced options. Change the background color, border color, or font sizes for better visibility. Use the grid lines and ticks section to enhance readability. Opt to change the chart size by dragging the edges for a better fit in your sheet. After finalizing your chart, click anywhere outside the chart editor to view it. If changes are needed, select the chart again and reopen the chart editor to make adjustments. Consider using the Explore feature in Google Sheets for automated insights. Review the recommendations and charts proposed by the Explore tool for a new perspective. Use filter views to simplify your data and focus on specific information dynamically. Stay updated with the latest Google Sheets features for ongoing customization options. Regularly save your progress to ensure your visualizations are retained. With these steps, you'll be able to create engaging and informative data visualizations in Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.